If you own an Opel from 2008 to 2013, this wireless CarPlay and Android Auto retrofit box is an easy way to modernize your factory system. It's compatible with Opel Astra, Insignia, Mokka, Zafira, Cascada, and Meriva, and works directly with the original screen and buttons. The system supports Wireless Apple CarPlay, wired CarPlay, Android Auto, and Android MirrorLink. You also get AirPlay, allowing you to mirror videos, music, and navigation from your iPhone using a USB cable. Enjoy real-time navigation with Google Maps, Waze, and Apple Maps, plus hands-free calls, messages, and music using Hey Siri voice control. Audio plays through the factory system, and you can adjust sound using the built-in EQ settings. It also supports front, rear, and 360-degree cameras, USB media playback, and full OEM button control. Installation is plug and play, with no encryption or wire cutting required.